second speaker of the day, which is our new friend and new member, Marcos. What I know about Marcos is the fact that I met him at first, on his very first Toastmasters meeting. That was in Waves Cafe, probably at the very end of May or beginning of June. And if I remember correctly, Marcos recently moved from Brazil, but he has some roots as well in Argentina. And he definitely speaks Spanish as well as Brazilian, Portuguese, and he has some Italian roots as well, right? Like told side of the father. And I still remember the fact that he would share the fact that he's still struggling a little bit in English, but he's definitely committed and determined to make it a better language for him because he very much needed it for his job as well. And as I can say, he's very outgoing as a personality, Marcos, so he's already doing like a hell of an improvement. I would like to introduce him to you for his icebreaker, for the first time probably speaking, Marcos.
Hello everyone, thank you for the new opportunity. The question today is, who is Marcos? It's the terrible question for me because speaking about myself is hard. I need to organize all my life in a few minutes and speak about my life, but it's a good challenge because organize my ideas. To prepare me today, I searched in my website, 3 websites, about me, and I clicked, let me see about me, but in very short explanation, true. I am from Cordoba. Cordoba is the second city of Argentina. I was born in 1976. I am 40 years old. But after my teens years, I lived in several countries, exactly 5 countries: Argentina, Brazil, Venezuela, Mexico, and now Canada. But I have been in 24 countries in the last 10 years, and I've been in more for 400 different cities around the world. I visit or travel in Europe, Latin America, North America, and North Africa. I have contact with different cultures, peoples, ideas, language, and I learn several languages too. A little for Italy. My grandfather was from Italy, but it's the amazing country because every region, or some region, or each region, have different language or dialects. It's very interesting. My wife is from Brazil. She is a psychologist. I have 3 beautiful and clever kids: Joe, 11, Sophia, the princess, 4, and Jonathan, 1 year old. They are my I don't know, light, my inspirations for several activities. My background, professional background, is in environmental and sustainable field. I worked in different industries, corporations, or international organizations in my life, in my career, and I developed several important strategic projects in Latin America, especially about waste management. I developed the first complete system to the cities in Brazil. Today is one reference, government reference, my project in Brazil, and without intention is a reference in other countries like Colombia, Argentina, Chile, Peru, probably other countries I don't remember now. It's important for me to develop environmental projects and sustainability projects because I love work with people. And my inspiration all my life is improve the quality, the life quality of 1, 2, 3 people or communities or countries or I don't know, the human the humanity. When I was studying in UNESCO, my post-graduation, the director said important words for me about the new environmental field. He told us, for all the students, the old school is finished because the problems, environmental problems, grew in the old school. Today, the environmental field needs new kind of professionals. Professionals with amazing imagination. And I thought, wow, I am owner one big, powerful imagination because I love this. And he told too, also, today the challenge for any professional, environmental professional, is develop imagination or new alternative with her imagination or his imagination to improve, to fix, to change the life in different fields, in different subjects in environmental sustainability. It's my challenge every day develop these kind of projects. My imagination is very powerful. I am speaking about myself, but it's really everyone in my family, my friends, in Brazil, in Mexico, in Argentina, every time the feedback is your imagination is very, very, very powerful and practice. Because I dream, but I can put my dreams in projects, implement after the project, and reach the results or the targets or achieve my goals. This is very important for my family, for me, because I don't know how many time or how much time I have in the life. My life probably I finish with in my 18 years old, I don't know. But every day, for me, it's very important, use my imagination to change, touch, or improve the life of my customers, my friends, communities, in every place. Here in Canada, it's the same target for me. I need to improve my English and improve my communication skills to can apply my knowledge and my imagination here. And for that, thank you for the opportunity to speak for each one.
Congratulations, Marcos, for his